Greetings. This little video, which I'm going to keep short, under 3 minutes, is about January 31st, tomorrow's session on what to do when there are differences in relationship. How do you bridge those differences? What about when there is a challenge in relationship? And our time together is going to draw on lifetimes of experience. So all of you, as well as me, sharing about those challenges and how best to work with them. In particular, I'm going to bring in different trainings, understandings, approaches from various communication practices like nonviolent communication, the language of compassion, the Option Institute, assertiveness training, Workshop Institute for Living Learning. So these are some of the specifics that I've found particularly valuable. Of course, it's all in the underlying premise, the values. Just checking on our time here. I want to keep this short. The values that a person is relying upon, values such as self-responsibility, acceptance, and most fundamentally awareness. So I just want to give you a feeling. We'll be sharing together. We'll be looking at these challenges, utilizing approaches that I have learned over many years of practice studying relationships, both through all kinds of experiential workshops I've taken, as well as my university degrees and my practice in offering workshops. And so hopefully you'll get some insights, approaches, perspectives, and me too. We're all here to learn and enjoy the time that we get together to get to know each other over this online medium. So looking forward to seeing you then.